Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the press conference. I have here with me, on my left, is the Minister for Trade from Vanuatu, Honourable Marcelo Pipete. On my right is the Minister of Trade from Papua New Guinea, Honourable Richard Maru, and His Excellency, the Solomon Islands High Commissioner, Mr. John Otti, who is sitting in for his Minister for Trade. As you know, that this was the first MSG Trade Ministers meeting, inaugural meeting, where we discussed primarily the key trade issues pertaining to MSG, but more so the revamping of the MSG trade agreement and how the trade agreement can be more modern, more relevant, more appropriate, and indeed capture what is actually happening at practical levels amongst the MSG countries, and how we can strengthen the agreement and make it more relevant vis-a-vis not just trade in goods but also services and the movement of people. As you know, that we've had discussions on that. So with those introductory remarks, I'd like to